Guys, are we back? Are we back? We're back? Oh, we're so back. Choo choo. Choo choo. Is it laggy? Somebody let me know. Oh, it looks so laggy. Wait, I just clicked on my own stream. Bro, it's like worse. What the hell? I don't know what to do, guys. It's better? Are you guys being honest? Is it better or worse? I don't want to have to stop the AND train again. The AND train is a rare occurrence. What is the next video? That's a little secret. It's a little secret, guys. Wait, let me think. I don't even know it off the top of my head. The next video? Oh, yeah, I know what it is. I think you guys will enjoy it. No hints, though. We need more songs? I don't know if we do. Giuseppe's Diner was a freaking flop, dude. When you gonna stream Fortnite? I don't know. Hold on, guys. Oh my god, I'm muted, bro. Whoever said the JD thing is crazy, dude. I leave for 1 set. You guys are done for dinner, dude. Done for dinner. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I just wanted to go live, but like, I don't know what to do. What should we do? I've never gone live. I haven't gone live in a billion years. Guys, I have a whole pizza too. This is crazy. This is a crazy moment. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Omegle, nah, because I don't know the rules. I don't know the rules when you go on on Omegle. Am I sure that's a pizza off cam? Yeah, it's a pizza. Hmm. Because I don't know what happens. Like if I go on, I don't want to get my account banned because I think you have to hide stuff. Like if if a certain sword pops up, I think I have to hide it. Bro, I'm gonna leak something. Like I don't know how to stream. I'm gonna like. What do I do, bro? I don't like streaming, guys. It's scary. Cause like, what if I mess up? Like, what if I like What if I like, I don't know, dude. I feel like I'm gonna open like the wrong tab or something, and you're just gonna see like my whole like and OnlyFans downloaded folder. That would be bad. Hop on Fortnite. I love Fortnite, but I'm not going on Fortnite. Stream laggy AF. Guys, I don't know. It is laggy. I'm looking at it. It's so laggy. This is like unwatchable. What do I do? Hmm. Why? Hold on, guys. I'm doing a Google search. How to fix my stream lag. OBS, how to stream 30 FPS. We don't even need 60. Let's just get 30. Guys, should I end and start again? This time I'll fix it. You guys don't even know. This time, this is the one. Wait, let me put the thing on this. I don't even know what these things mean. Did it fix it? I don't want to end. I don't want to end, bro. That's lame. Let me know, guys. Who's on the and train right now? Who's hopping on this and train? Bro, I don't know what to do. I don't know why I went live. I'm just sitting here and saying and train over and over. Guys, if you want to know what happens in the family friendly calls, it's literally just me going and train, and Bennett getting super angry and disconnecting me. Like, that is what the calls look like, if you wanted to know. Hold on. Stream's current bitrate is higher than the recommended bitrate. Whoa, guys, I think my bitrate is way too high. That's probably why. How do I change the bitrate? Guys, this is really bad. The stream's going down as we speak. Whoa. I accidentally typed the wrong number. I think that's why the stream's about to go down. Might have something to do with it. I've become turbo jacked beast. I don't know about that. Guys, did the stream just get better? Tell me. Cause I just changed the bitrate and it went from saying the connection was weak to saying it's good. So I think it alright, buddy. I'm not even reading that message. You know who I'm talking about. It's better? Did I actually is it good? Like, can we proceed, or is it okay? Actual good? I'm just gonna trust you guys. All right, listen. There's only a few things I can do on stream. I can just sit here and talk. I don't really have anything interesting to say. I can play. When was the last time I played Among Us? February 26, 2023. That's cap. That's cap. I haven't opened it since 2021. Dude. Okay, so I have this wheel in front of me. I was playing this racing game earlier. I was learning how to be a race car driver, but I don't think I want to do it again. I don't think I'm going to do it again. Lethal Company. It's fun, but like, I don't know if I want to do it. Bro, Fish Face FNAF. You're done, dude. Favorite Kanye song? I don't know. I don't know. There's a couple. I'm not gonna tell you. Is the Ann Train to Anida? Yeah. Lethal Company's good, but it's good with people, bro. Like if I play it alone, it's not gonna be good. Lethal Company with fans, but am I gonna get like hacked, bro? Why am I gatekeeping my favorite Kanye song? Because I don't know, and I don't want to give an answer. Have you ever played Rainbow Six Siege? Yeah, like twice. It was okay. I wouldn't play it again. I didn't find it fun. I don't think it's a bad game though. I just feel like it's the outdated game kind of. Not the game, like the genre of game. Like it was boring to me, but it's a good game. It seems like. I don't really play a lot of games though. Like if I play a game, it's like a one-off. Like I bought this racing wheel like 3 years ago, and today is like one of the first times I've ever used it. Would you be so kind to reveal the diameter? Okay, you're done. How do you do your hair? I don't do anything. It's just there. I need a haircut though. Lethal Company's great. I just don't know, dude. I don't want to just sit here and do nothing though. Like I could open up the racing game, but like I'm not gonna lie, I already did it today. There's a reason. There's a reason, but I can't tell you guys. I don't know if Lethal Company with fans. How do I do it though? Red Dead Redemption 2. I've never played it. I've barely even played GTA. It just like I didn't get it when I was a kid because I had a PS4 and I tried to get it. Not even when I was a kid. All I had was a Wii when I was a kid. But I had a PS4 and I tried to get GTA at like Christmas time. And I went up to the cashier and my mom wasn't paying attention. And I go up to the cashier and he's like about to like check it through. And the cashier looks over at my mom, calls her over, and he goes, "Did you know you have to like..." Okay, well, I don't want the stream to get taken down. He basically said like the worst possible things about the GTA campaign to my mom, and then I had to go home with no GTA 5 and I never got to play it. So terrible. I bet if you share this in the yeah, but I don't want to share it until I have an idea. What's my favorite Wii game? The Wii Sports and the sword fighting mode where you just have to fight like 100 people. It's like the greatest game of all time. The Drake video. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna recreate the Drake video. I don't want to play this stupid wheel, dude. I'm not gonna lie. It was fun, but I don't know if I want to do it on. I think it'd be super boring on stream. Okay, what about one race? It's kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. I get so locked in. Like I actually like. Dude, it feels like I'm in the. It feels like I'm in the game, and I'm not a good driver. I'm not gonna lie. Like it feels like I'm in real life, and it's like scary. You guys don't know how locked in I am. Uh-oh. Hold on. I'm about to unhide my screen, by the way. I'm like so scared of leaking stuff because I don't stream and I don't know how it works. So it's like Do you like Kendrick Lamar? Yeah, but I haven't listened to him too much. I would say yes. Well, can you guys hear this? Do you know Slush Dude? Yeah, that's my boy. Slush Dude is a goat. Do an IRL stream and go to the Bronx, dude. I think we're good. Did you actually wee woo a fan? You know, let's just leave that up to interpretation. Dude, this is my first time streaming, and I almost already just fell for someone trying to get me to say a fucking bad word, bro. I've always wondered this. How many videos ahead do you guys film for the family friendly channel? It honestly just depends where we're at. Sometimes we can get a couple ahead. We always need to be a couple ahead, but right now it's a little close. We might miss a family friendly Friday. I'm just kidding. It can be like 3 maybe if we're really lucky, but it's usually like close. Do I like Tyler the Creator? I think he's cool. I don't really listen to him though. I used to. Guys, ignore my plate. Ignore my license plate. Oh wait, let me unhide this. Guys, the wheel isn't working now. We're done. Hold on, let me hide this. I think I know why. Logitech. Hop on Arrow with me and Slush. I don't have anything Arrow set up. Oh my god, the wheel just started moving on me. Oh wait, you guys can see that. I thought you guys couldn't see it, but yeah, the wheel just fucking awakened on me like the beast. The beast just came inside of it. Please work. Oh, okay, we're in. I would play Era if I had it set up, but I'm on a different PC than normal. Alright guys, you're about to learn why you never see me driving in any video, and why Swift has the Supra. Can you guys hear me from here? Oh. The lag is bad. Is this unplayable? This is probably unplayable, huh? Oh, man. I think my Wi-Fi is not good enough. I kind of forgot about that factor. I don't think I have good enough Wi-Fi. Whoa. I'm going to leak something. Oh, never mind. I have the cover on. Oh, did I leak anything? No, I didn't. Nice. Alright, guys, I thought of a new idea. What if I just drive? What if I just drive and you guys just can't even see what I'm doing? Whoa. I might crash. Swift needs to trust me with the Supra, guys. I'm telling you. I'm a safe driver and I'm a really good driver. That's definitely why I own a car. And not why I'm sitting on the racing setup. Guys, is this still frozen? Is it frozen? Do I have to like end even though I'm not showing anything? It's literally just my face on a black screen. Uh-oh. Yo, I'm actually a pro, I'm not gonna lie. Do you guys know Swift went to the island? Alright, I alt F4 it. I'm done. Whoa. Whoa. I just got hacked. Guys, am I still frozen? What is going on? Someone's got to let me know. I haven't played the new season of Fortnite, but it looks really cool. You can see my screen? I got the Ann on. I have a layer called Ann. It's my holy savior. It's guarding my screen right now. Guys, I might end stream. This is a disaster. Hold on, the stuff you guys are saying, like replying to I said like 2 minutes ago. So I think it's over. I think the stream's over. I think it's like so delayed that it's just over. Guys, I think I'm gonna end. I think this is it for me. Can we sign off with a big Ann train? Can everyone send an Ann train quickly? Okay, never mind. It's not that delayed because now you guys are saying Ann train right now. I was on hotspot Wi-Fi. I actually have like the worst Wi-Fi ever. I'm not even gonna lie. Guys, I might have to end. If it's just lagging, I might have to end. I forgot I have very bad Wi-Fi. Like the worst. The worst ever. I forgot. I can't stream, guys. I'm sorry. One day I'm gonna get better Wi-Fi and I'll stream again. But thank you everyone for being here. One day the Ann train's gonna come through. Like it's gonna come through like crazy, and it's just gonna blow everyone's minds because the Ann train is just gonna blow straight through town. The live stream's gonna be going crazy. And join a VC and family friendly. Let's do it. Everyone join the family friendly Discord and go to my playhouse. Go to my playhouse. We'll speak.